Have you ever been in a company where every project seems to take forever? Requirements keep changing, and by the time you finally deliver, no one wants the product anymore. Yep, that's exactly the kind of mess Agile was created to fix. But Agile is not just daily stand-ups or moving sticky notes on a board, it's a mindset. It's a way of thinking about building products that actually work for real people. So, in this video, I'm going to break down what Agile actually is. Simply, clearly, and in a way that even if you are not technical, you will walk away understanding why it became such a game changer. Hey friends, my name is Magdi and I've been working in Agile environments for years, from software teams to large-scale transformations. And one thing I've learned is this: when people truly understand Agile, their teams become faster, more focused, and way more fun to work with. So let's unpack this step by step. Section number 1, the world before Agile. So before Agile became mainstream, most teams followed a waterfall approach. You gather all the requirements up front, then you design, and then you code, and then you test, and then you deliver. It's a simple waterfall diagram sliding down each phase. The problem is that real life is not that neat. Requirements change, customers change, and customers change even their minds. And then new competitors appear, and teams found themselves delivering the wrong product perfectly. And that's why by the late 90s, frustration grew in the software world. And in 2001, a group of 17 developers met in Utah and wrote what became known to us as the Agile Manifesto. The Agile Manifesto. Focus on this. So, Agile is based on 4 values: individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Number 2, working software over comprehensive documentation. Number 3, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Number 4, responding to change over following a plan. Notice they did not say stuff on the right is not important. They said that the stuff on the left matters more. These values became the foundation for a new way of working. More iterative, flexible, and human. Then came the 12 principles. Things like delivering working software frequently or welcoming change, building projects around motivated individuals, and reflecting regularly to improve. We don't have to do the whole 12 list in detail. We can do it in another video. Section number 3, what Agile actually is. Well, Agile is not a single framework. It's a mindset. And there are multiple frameworks that follow the Agile principles. Number 1, Scrum, the most popular. Time box iterations called sprints. Number 2, Kanban, visualize flow, limit work in progress. Number 3, XP, as known as extreme programming, engineering focused practices. Number 4, Scaled Agile, SAFe, which stands for Scaled Agile Framework for Enterprise. It applies Agile at enterprise level. Teams use these frameworks to apply Agile values in real projects, whether they are building software, marketing campaigns, or even hardware. Section number 4, why Agile took over the world. Agile became popular because it shortens feedback loops. Instead of waiting 12 months to see if something is working or not, you find out in 2 weeks. It embraces change instead of fighting it. It builds trust between teams and stakeholders. It focuses on value, not bureaucracy, and not bullshit. And that's why companies from startups to governments adopted Agile. Not because it's trendy, but because it works. Section number 5, the biggest misunderstanding. Here's the catch. Most companies say that they are Agile, but they are just doing many waterfall inside sprints. They focus on the rituals, but miss the mindset. They do the daily stand-ups, but they don't empower teams. They still have centralized decision-making, and they still apply micromanagement. They plan sprints, but they are terrified of change. The true Agile is a cultural shift. It's not a checklist. No, it's a shift in the mindset. So the next time someone asks what is Agile, you can say it's a mindset and a set of values that help teams deliver value faster, adapt to change, and collaborate better. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe because in the upcoming videos, I will break down Scrum, Agile versus Waterfall, and how to actually make Agile work in the real world. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the previous one as well.